ABS and ASA are great materials, but they are also difficult to print. Too cold and they warp like a potato chip. So today we are doing a simple experiment, isolating the panels of my Sovol SV08 to get higher and more stable chamber temperatures. To know if this actually works, we first need real numbers. So I'm using this thermometer to measure the air temperature inside the enclosure. The probe is mounted here, carefully squeezed in at the extruder lever. Not exactly a factory solution, but it's secure, repeatable and good enough for testing. Here's the full testing setup, so everything stays comparable. The Z-axis moved up to 250 mm. The heated bed set to 95 degrees Celsius. 2 internal filtration fans running at 100%. Those fans normally filter air, but cranking them up also helps circulate heat and warm up the entire print chamber. After that, I let the printer heat soak for 30 minutes without printing anything. With no insulation installed, the enclosure temperature settles at 40.3 degrees Celsius. And here's the result. Warped corners, lifted edges, ABS doing ABS things. To fix this, here's what you will need. Insulation mat, I used cheap automotive insulation material, scissors or a knife, a ruler and longer M3 bolts. The process is simple. Measure each enclosure panel, transfer those measurements onto the insulation mat and cut the pieces to size. We'll also need to cut small holes or slots so the mounting bolts can pass through. These bolts are what hold the panels onto the printer, so alignment matters. Once everything is cut, peel off the backing and stick the insulation directly onto the panels. Take your time here, a clean fit makes installing much easier later. From the outside, this is how the printer looks now. Honestly, I really like it. The insulation gives the SV08 a more solid, almost more premium look, like it was meant to be this way from the start. Quick reminder, if you enjoy practical mods like this and experiments that don't involve burning printers down, consider liking the video and subscribing. It helps the channel more than insulating helps ABS. Now we repeat the exact same test. Same Z height, same bed temperature, same fan settings and same 30 minutes heat soak. And this time the enclosure reaches 50.3 degrees Celsius. That's a 10 degree increase, which works out to roughly a 25% higher enclosure temperature, just from insulating the panels. No extra heaters, no electronics, just better heat retention. It's probably possible to push this even further by also insulating the front doors, but then you wouldn't be able to see inside the printer and I like watching my prints fail in real time. And here's the same ABS print again. No warping, no lifted corners, clean geometry, clean layers. For such a simple mod, the difference is honestly impressive. If you're printing ABS or ASA on the SV08 and fighting warping issues, this is a really easy upgrade to try. I have more mods for the SV08 planned, for example upgrading the gantry to 9mm belts and swapping the orbiter extruder to a wristwatch G2. So keep an eye out when the videos drop. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.